as a registered nurse, I had to examine 30,000 charts over the last 20 years. So I'm a assessment specialist. And one thing that I noticed that was very, very common, actually the most common breathing diagnosis for people over 50, was called atelectasis. So of course I had to look that up and find out what is atelectasis. It's simply shallow breathing. Is almost a natural thing for adults. Children breathe differently. They use the diaphragm. But as we age, and it's even into, after we're less active, late 20s and after that, we stop utilizing the diaphragm to breathe.